In today's video, I'll show you how to export Teams chat. So for this, you have to go ahead and open up any of your browser. From there, you don't need to go inside Microsoft Teams. It's on a different website. So just open a new tab and just type this, which is teams.live.com/data export. Data export is together. And after that, just hit enter. Then just wait. It will take you to a website where you will be able to export your data. If it asks you to sign in, just sign in to your Microsoft account. And after that, just give it time, and it will load like this. From here, you can request a copy of your Teams data. You can choose the chat history only or select the media as well. I'm gonna only choose chat history over here. Then I can just click on submit request. So basically what happens here is you have to submit a request to Microsoft Teams, and once they approve it and gather all of your data together, they're gonna send it back to you to download. So for example, if I click on submit request, as you can see, your export is being prepared. So just click on continue. As you can see, this is the export that I sent just now. It says pending. I previously sent another one, which was created at this date, and I got it back really soon. And I can download this one if I want to. But I requested another new one which is still pending. I have to give it some time for it to come back and I can download it then. And basically that is how to export your Microsoft Teams chat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.